अस्सलामुअलैकुम, आई एम हसीब यूसुफ। आप मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल देख रहे हैं। आई होप यू आर फाइन। आज की वीडियो के अंदर मैं बताऊंगा आपको चैप्टर नंबर 14 के अहम तरीन सवालात। अगर आप ये सवालात कर लेते हैं शॉर्ट लॉन्ग या न्यूमेरिकल्स, तो पेपर में आपके इस चैप्टर से जो सवालात आएंगे वो आप कर लेंगे। लेट्स मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस चैप्टर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, a plane conducting loop is located in a uniform magnetic field that is directed along the x-axis. For what orientation of the loop is the flux maximum? For what orientation is the flux minimum? Question number 2, a current in a conductor produce a magnetic field which can be calculated using Ampere law. Since current is defined as the rate of flow of charge, what can you conclude about the magnetic field due to stationary charges? What about moving charges? Question number 3, describe the charge in the magnetic field inside a solenoid carrying a steady current I if A, the current or length of the solenoid is doubled but the number of turns remains the same, and B part, the number of turns doubles but the length remains the same. Question number 4, at a given instant protons move in the x direction in a region where there is magnetic field in the negative z direction. What is the direction of the magnetic force? Will proton continue to move to positive x direction? Explain. Question number 5, two charged particles are projected into a region where there is a magnetic field perpendicular to their velocities. If the charges are deflected in opposite direction, what can you say about them? Question number 6, suppose that a charge q is moving in a uniform magnetic field with a velocity v. Why is there no work done by the magnetic force that acts on the charge q? Question number 7, if a charged particles moves in a straight line through some region of space, can you say that the magnetic field in the region is zero? Question number 8, why does the picture of a screen, TV screen, become distorted when the magnetic is brought near the screen? Question number 9, is it possible to orient a current loop in a uniform magnetic field such that the loop will not tend to rotate? Explain. Question number 10, how can a current loop be used to determine the presence of magnetic field in a given region of space? Question number 11, how can you use magnetic field to a separate isotopes of chemical element? Question number 12, state Ampere law and write its mathematically form. Question number 13, what is the Lorentz force and what write its mathematically form? Question number 14, write the uses of CRO. Question number 15, what is the function of grid in cathode ray oscilloscope? Question number 16, what is the difference between the magnetic flux and magnetic flux density? Let's move in towards the most important long question of this chapter. Question number 1, derive the expression for the force on current carrying conductor in uniform magnetic field. Question number 2, calculate the magnetic field due to the current carrying a solenoid using Ampere law. Question number 3, derive the expression for force on moving charge on a uniform magnetic field. Question number 4, describe how can we determine the E/m ratio of an electron. Let's move in towards the most important numerical problems of this chapter. Numerical number 1, how fast must a proton move in magnetic field of 2.50 multiplied 10 raised power minus 13 t such that the magnetic force is equal to its weight? Question number 2, a power line 10 meter high carries a current 200 ampere. Find the magnetic field of the wire at the ground. Question number 3, a coil of 0.1 meter multiply 0.1 meter and the 200 turns carrying a current of 1.0 MA is placed in a uniform magnetic field of 0.1 T. Calculate the maximum torque that acts on the coil. Best of luck and Allah Hafiz.